Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install or download the Discord apps on your Chromebook or a laptop. So in here, I've already opened Discord, but I open it on my browser, the discord.com. So if you want to have the apps on your computer, laptop or Chromebook, you can just open your browser and find Discord download. Tap on enter, and in here you'll find this page Discord, and you'll find the downloads option. So let's just tap on that. So in here, what you need to do is just you can go to this page, discord.com/download, and there will be this option, download for Windows. So you can just tap on that options. Here you can also download it for Android or iOS. So if you want to download it, you can just find the device in here. For Chromebook, you can use this Android option. So let's just click on download for Windows, and here you can just wait until the download processing is finished. Okay, so the download is done. Here you can just double click on the file. Let's just wait, and there will be this. Okay, this one, Discord. Now Discord checking for updates. It's still downloading the update. Okay, here the Discord is started to open, but it's still loading now. Here you can just log in with your Discord account. If you already have one, you can just log in with your email or phone number. I can also log in with the QR code, so you can just open your Discord mobile apps and then scan this QR code on your mobile. And if you don't have an account, you can click on register and create an account first. So that's how you can install Discord on your laptop or Chromebook. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.